What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here, and as promised, we're going to shoot the video on the 22 WRX ETS intake install. So guys, we did the unboxing in the last video. Now it's time to put this bad Johnny on and see what it sounds like. Little checklist they come with. Quality couplers. And then you're start with removing these clips, and then there's two 10mm bolts there and there. And then you have a 10 right there. Unplug your mass airflow sensor. Pull the whole box out. Alright guys, there's a 12mm bolt down there holding it on to that bracket, so just remove that. Alright guys, it should come out like that, and then onto the turbo. Alright guys, pull this last coupler straight off the turbo, and then you're going to install the new ETS onto the turbo. Whoop. It just goes straight on there. If I can get you a better shot. But yeah, there's the clamp. Put it in the hole. Does it just bolt to the subframe?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. Right in there somewhere.
Alright guys, it's got a bolt right here that holds it to the frame rail. After you get your clamps tightened up. Alright guys, remove your mass airflow from your stock box into here and make sure your arrows point the same way. If not, your car will not run right. Which actually I don't think it'll go on there but one way. But just in case. Having fun yet?
Oh yeah. Hopefully this is all in the right area, because that filter looks like it's leaning an awful lot.
It looks like it's right, like the picture.
Yeah, but I don't think once we get the filter on that.
Guys, it bolts up like factory. Looks factory too. Look at that. We didn't do nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. Even comes with the handy dandy tray when you put your bolts on, because they know you're going to be working on your Subaru. We can't have no shiny hardware. Nobody will ever know. Nobody will ever know. Don't be suspicious. And on the other note, you have 2 filters in your stock airbox, WRX guys.
That one's like not.
Oh, it's
serviceable,
yeah.
And it's part of the MAF housing. So.
Wow. So probably eventually, if you do keep your stock airbox, you're going to have to replace that. It's like a pre-filter.
Post.
Oh yeah, post.
It goes in afterwards.
Yep. So, all right. You want to fire it up and see if we hear any difference? Too bad I don't have a remote start. Doot. Alright guys, let's take her for a spin. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear it. Nice. And they did a lot with the sound deadening too. I'm gonna crack the window a little bit. Oh wow, the sound deadening is a lot better in these cars. That's just with it cracked a bit. It wakes it up too. I think it feels like it's making a little bit more steam. It sounds really good too. It makes the car fun to drive. We do have other parts coming for this car. We got a top mount and a catback exhaust from ETS. So hit that subscribe button. And let's see if we can make some more power out of this 22 WRX. Alright guys. Back at the shop, and we also need to we're in a new location. Video coming soon. Adrian, what's your thoughts on that intake?
The biggest difference is the sound. Not so much the induction sound, but your blow-off valve sound.
Yeah,
considering it's a stock blow-off valve and everything.
Yeah, it like woke it up to like tile levels.
Yeah, and it just makes the drive more
of an experience.
Exactly.
It creates the drama.
Yeah.
You got to have the drama. Yes, but and you hear that there's the air just whooping in.
Yep.
So, guys, I do recommend it. Like I said, we're gonna hook the scanner to it, check and see the trims, which I'm pretty sure it's good because ETS is top-notch stuff. So I don't think we'll have any issues with it. But like I said, we got the ETS top mount coming and the cat back. So hit that subscribe button, and just like that, we'll see you in the next ones. Drop any comments below of what you think we should do to it, and how did you like it? See ya. Peace.